What will I not order from China? Anything I see, I buy. Eh? Look at what I got now. Hey. Hi! I don't come again with another unboxing video. This package might look small, but what I have here is going to amaze you because when I received it, I was like surprised because I didn't expect it to be like this. Firstly, I want to show you this product. I want to show you on 168. I want to show you what it looks like and how much I bought it on 168 before we come back here to unbox it. Okay, so guys, let's go there. So guys, this is the product. So I ordered 4 pieces for just 2.92 RMB. So guys, this is the product I'm going to be unboxing pretty soon. Can you see that? It's very unique. Wow, the price has changed. It has reduced to 0.10 RMB. Wow. Something I bought for 2.80 and 90 something RMB. Look at that. That means they are now selling this product for less than 100 naira. It has reduced, guys. So if you want to buy this product, you need to rush it right now. The price has reduced drastically. Wow. Wow, that's nice. So let me translate it so that you see the description of this product. So I've copied it. This is how I copy. I just click on this description side, then I copy it. Then I go to my translator, my Google, go to my Google Translate. This is my Google Translate. Then I paste it. So can you see that internet celebrity bamboo cup, Insta straw, double drink, coffee cup, drainage advertising gift glass water cup with printed logo. Okay, so let us unbox it right now. Welcome back, guys. So guys, right now, let us jump right into the business of today. I want you to see what it looks like in real life, not just by seeing photos. When I ordered it for air shipping. I ordered it just 4 pieces for me, my kids, and my husband. But when it was delivered, I saw on Skyjet the weight was almost 2 kg. I said, how can I buy something this cheap and be paying more than 10,000 naira for the shipping fee? I said, no, I can't. So at that point in time, I was shopping for someone. I was doing procurement for someone. So I had to like beg the person that I should add this package to his goods for sea shipping. That was almost 3 months ago. So it arrived a few days ago and he cleared it. And guess what? He sent it to me and asked me not to pay for the shipping. Thank you so much. So guys, let me show you what it looks like. Again. So it's just 4 pieces that's in here. Okay. Ta-da! No, what really surprised me here is the fact that it's a glass, like glass. See, it's soft glass. So I thought it's going to be like plastic. So I said, okay, my kids and I will be using it to drink juice, tiger nut milk, you know. But when I received it, I was like, wow, this is more than what I expected. You got it? So I think it's from bottom, right? Okay, that's true. Fix it like this. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Okay, like this. Then I think it came with the straw. Let me look for it. This is the straw. So let us open it together. So these are the four straw. Four. What will I not order from China? Anything I see, I buy. Eh? Look at what I got now. Hey. So I think this one is for this color, right? I think it's like this. And this one is also glass. See, can you see? Can you hear that? It's also glass. So there you go. You like it? Gorgeous. So let me show you. I think, yeah, this one is color white. Color white. Okay. So people use it for smoothie, they use it for Chapman and all of that. It's, you can close it. It's something that you can put in your lunch bag. You know, you can close it. See it, you can close and open it. So this one is for it, like this. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the design. This is not plain. The other two were plain. This one is not plain. You can also open it if you want to drink from here, like to drink like this from this point. Man, I like it. Like, so guys, can you see that? That's all. This one is the last one. This one is white. I think so. I ordered two white. So, hey, I hope I've not broken it. Which one do you like? Drop it in the comment section. What color do you prefer? Do you like this product? If you want to go into any Michael, okay, I'm coming. If you want to like go into all this smoothie business, what else again? You want to open eatery or a bar. These products right here, you are good to go. Like, it's very unique and beautiful, and I hear they sell it in Nigeria for like 5K for one. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. And then come and take one. Which one do you like? What color do you want? You want this color? Okay, take. What are you supposed to say? You're welcome. What color do you want? Michael, take. That's right. Don't break it. Hey, Michael's already strolling it. Strolling. Oh, I need to wash it first. Okay. Yeah. Wash this one. I need to wash it first. I need to wash. Yes, I'll give it to you when I wash it.